guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm super excited. I'm going to be unboxing my Mac Mini M1. So I'm so excited because I've been actually waiting so long for this Mac Mini M1. I ordered it before the new year and I just got it now. Before we get into the Mac Mini unboxing, I just want to explain to you guys a little bit about how I configured my Mac Mini. So basically what I did was I just went to the Apple website. I chose the Mac Mini, and then instead of 8 gigabytes of the unified M1 memory, I chose 16 gigabytes, and I'm currently running 500 gigabytes of SSD. Basically what I do is I just edit videos, I produce music, and I think that is enough. On top of that, I have a lazy 1 terabyte hard drive that I use with my computer anyways. So I figured that you know, a Mac Mini was definitely an upgrade to my setup. One, not only was it gonna look even cleaner, but two, it was gonna make the aesthetic of my room and my desk look way better. So I'm super excited for what this Mac Mini has to offer, and I genuinely can't wait to start using it and to push it to its limits, most importantly. So basically what I want to do with this Mac Mini is that I want to use it. So basically what I was saying before my Mac Mini interrupted me, I'm gonna really push the Mac Mini to its limits. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna see how well it functions, how well the user interface is, and I'm super excited to really dive deep into the Mac Mini. This is my first Mac desktop. I had a gaming PC which I sold. So like I was saying before my Mac Mini interrupted me again, I used to have a PC, a built PC that I built myself in the year of 2020, and I decided to sell it because I wanted to go into the Apple ecosystem. So I figured that my best option, which one, fit my budget, and two, was aesthetically pleasing for me, was to get a Mac Mini. I saw multiple videos online describing how fast the Mac Mini actually was, and I was surprised. So I went ahead and decided to go for the Mac Mini. I was super excited when I ordered it, and I'm still super excited right now to see all that it offers. So I have it here right now. The main reason why I'm not doing a review on this Mac Mini in this video is because I still want to get to know it. And also, just so you guys know, this video is being edited on the Mac Mini. So if it comes out bad, just let me know. Huge shout out to my friend Ricardo for letting me borrow his camera. I'm currently recording on a Sony A7 Mark III, so shout out to Ricardo for that. Thank you. And without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing.
Alright, so guys, right off the bat, let's just talk about how nice Apple packaging is. Look at this beautiful box with the nice Mac Mini in the front and the Apple logo, the black Apple logo. I'm gonna use my knife to crack it open. So I'm currently doing a voiceover here, so just bear in mind and watch me extremely fail to open this box. Yes, it's very painful. But anyways, I got the box open. And then after that, we're going to continue to open up this packaging. Let me just tell you something. Apple packaging is one of the best packagings available. I find it crazy how great their packaging is, even to the design of the box. So here you go. Straight off the bat, we have the silver Mac Mini. I got it in the silver color because that is currently the only color available with the M1 chip. And this is so satisfactory opening an Apple box because it has just the right amount of air. So as you can tell, I'm struggling a little bit to open this box, but that's okay. So something that surprised me is that straight off the box, we have the M1 Mac Mini just standing right there. If I was to hold this box up vertically, I feel like I would just drop it. But see, we have the M1 Mac Mini right there, and it looks so nice. It's so lightweight. It barely weighs a thing. Inside the box, we just have the regular Apple packaging. We have the instruction manual, and then behind that we have our power cord. So this power cord is simple. It just has 2 plugs. It's nice and soft, and it's, of course, it's Apple, so it's very high quality. And the packaging, like I said, once again, they use such great packaging, and there's nothing else inside the box. So now we're gonna get to the Mac Mini right now. We're just putting everything together. So first, let's talk about the instruction manual. You just have your basic Mac Mini little pamphlet that tells you how to turn it on, how to connect it, all that good Apple stuff. Then after that, deep inside the box, I'm pretty sure that they include Apple stickers with this. As you will see, we have one of the biggest Apple stickers I've ever seen. But yeah, that's as far as it goes for the manual. Now let's take a look at the Mac Mini. So now this Mac Mini is such a nice design, such a nice architecture. Apple really took their time designing this Mac Mini. I feel like this Mac Mini overall is just such a great addition to the Apple Mac lineup. And it just looks so well, incredibly sleek. And we're just gonna take a look at it. Some ASMR for you guys that enjoy all that stuff. There you go. That is the M1 Mac Mini. Alright guys, so now let's take a look at the back of this Mac Mini. So peeling off this plastic, we are immediately welcomed by a whole bunch of I/O and ports. So right to your left, you can see that we have our power cord, we have the Ethernet, and you also get a 10 gigabit option. You have two USB-Cs, a HDMI, and two USB-As, and a headphone jack. And this is the fan, which is extremely quiet. This Mac Mini literally weighs nothing. And on the bottom, when you flip it over, you see the dark cover, and it says Mac Mini. Overall, great design. Alright guys, so something that I just want to say is look at how many ports there are on this Mac Mini. It's amazing. Alright guys, so the last thing I just want to emphasize, Mac Mini, definitely a great purchase.
Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Before you go, I just want to invite you guys to like and subscribe. Hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot. Thank you and have a great day.